Hello everybody, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I've had a couple subscribers over the past week. Thank you for that. I don't have a ton of subscribers, but it's really supportive of you guys. It really motivates me to do more videos. Today I'm going back to a coding tutorial on Xcode. I'm going to show you how to hide a label on Click. So you're going to do a single view application, name it whatever you want. I'm just going to do hide me for the name. Make it for iPhone, automatic reference counting. It should be automatic in Xcode 5. I am using Xcode 5, so if you do not have Xcode 5, this should still work. So first thing you're going to do, go into your main.storyboard, and you're going to need a label, and then a button. So go ahead, drag your labels in, drag your buttons in. This is a very simple tutorial. It's a very simple task that I have doing. In this tutorial, you'll mainly learn just a basic of Objective-C, the basic syntax of code. So I'm just going to name this, this isn't really a Hello World tutorial, but it is, in a sense, Hello World, you know. And then I'm going to do, you're going to do two buttons. So I'm going to do button. So you're going to want them, you're going to want to name them button 1. And no, do show and then hide. Alright, so go into your assistant editor, go to your H file, and then for the label, drag it in there, do an outlet, call it label. And then for show, put that up there, IB action, so it's an action, and do show. And then for hide, do hide as the action. You gotta do it as an action. Alright, so now you can go into your M file. And then, so now, as you can see, the IB actions have been created. Now, the property that we put in there, the outlet, that's not something you code in. All's what an outlet really does, I've learned this over the past couple of weeks, all it does is it puts a name on something. So this label, Hello World, is now has the name label for when we code. So if we go to the main M file, first thing you're going to do, go into your IB action, and then you're going to do label. You're going to do underscore label dot hidden equals false. And then make sure you have your colon, and then underscore for the hide, do underscore label dot hidden equals true. I'm going to show you a couple different ways here you can do this. And then on the super view did load, go ahead and just do underscore label dot hidden equals false. Alright, so let me go over this code real fast. Underscore label, that is the name of the label that we've declared. Hidden just means, is this going to be hidden, or are you going to be able to see it? Alright, that's what hidden is in Objective-C. So hidden, and then equals false. False is equivalent to no. Alright, so if I really wanted to, instead of false, I could have just typed in no. So, and then same thing down here, name, and then the action, or like the what we're declaring, and then true. True is the same thing as yes. So same thing up here. The super view did load is really just a place where when the view loads, what do you want it to show when it loads? So that's about the best way I can put it. So I'm going to go ahead and run it, and we will see. Oh, whoops. Forgot my colon. Alright. So, here we go. We have our simulator up. All of our code is written. This is very simple. So, you can do quite a bit with this hide and hidden function. For example, you can hide more than just labels. You can hide entire web views, or you can hide other buttons. You can really hide whatever you want. So, when we hit show, nothing happens because it's already there. Hide, it goes away. Show, hide. Show, hide. So simple. It's just some very basic code. Anyway, if you're having problems, I am not providing a source code, mainly because this is so easy, you should be able to get it. Now, do post a comment below if you do have a question. I'm not trying to be hard on you, but I'm just saying this should be easy enough for you. This should be very easy. It's a very simple tutorial. Now, you can either stop here. I'll show you what else you can do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this label. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that property. And then I'm going to do an entire view. Actually, no, I'm going to do a container. So go ahead, find your container. I'm going to do container view. We're going to shape it something like that. If you've never used a container view before, it's really very, very simple. It's actually kind of cool. It's just you can just put stuff in it. It really is what it does. It creates a view inside of the view. And then in it, I'm going to go ahead and just put another label. Actually, I can put really whatever I want in there. I'll do a couple of different labels, and then, well, actually, I'll just do one label and then make it, we'll do the background as a blue for all anyone cares. Alright, so, and then in our H file, container, drag it in, its property, we're just going to call it container. So it really doesn't matter what you name it, it's just as long as it corresponds with what's in your M file. So underscore label 1, you're going to want to change this to container. Then same thing in your view did load. Alright, so now when you run the project, we open it up, there's our container. Show, hide, show, hide. It works like that. Now we're going to go even further. We're going to do 2 containers. So we're going a little crazy here. I'm just kidding. It's not that crazy. But I'm going to just drag this. Oh, come on. There we go. So I'm going to do 2 containers. We're going to put the container in. Actually, I'm just going to copy the old container. It'd be so much easier. Alright, copy, paste. Oh, that didn't friggin' work. Guess I'll just drag in a new one. Alright, 160. Alright, right there. So now we should have 2 containers. Oh, there it is. So I'm just going to put the background on this other container as like a red, maroon, whatever you want to call it. So, and then we need to declare this again, this other container as container 2. Alright, and then it writes the code for us. Thank you, Xcode, for being so simple. Alright, so now we have it. And now we're gonna make it so this one is show container 1, and then this other one will be show container 2. Alright, let's at least make this user interface look somewhat usable. Actually, there we go. Alright, so there we go. We have everything declared that we need declared. So actually, if you want to, go ahead and change the IB action names to container 1. Actually, no, just leave it. It really doesn't matter, actually. We can still code in it. So container.hidden equals show container 1. This is the first label that we have, so this is just show. Show container 1, here's what we would do. Underscore container dot hidden equals false. That is what we want. Then we want underscore container 2 dot hidden equals true. And then same thing, do the opposite, underscore container 2 dot hidden equals false. And then in your view did load, underscore container 2 dot hidden equals true. There we go. Alright. Can't believe I actually had to look for that colon key. It kind of made me mad. Alright. There you go. Container 1, container 2, container 1, container 2, container 1, container 2. So this is how to use the hidden function on Xcode. Very simple. I know this was kind of a long tutorial. I wanted to show you multiple aspects of it so that you can possibly get the best results off of it. That's all I have for this video for today. I will be coming out with another video later today, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'm going to film. That's it.